tough times actually are innovative times. Did you ever feel like this in some time in your career? And did you do some things differently?
You know, I remember this match in South Africa where again it was Sehwag's debut game. We were playing in Bloemfontein, and when Sehwag walked in, we had lost early wickets. We were, I think, 55 or 60 for 4 down. And Sehwag walked in. That was the first time. So my first question to him was, "Are you tense? Are you worried? You know, थोड़ा nervousness है या नहीं?" तो I said, अगर हो रहा होगा भी तो that is normal. But then, you know, we started building this partnership. And at that stage, Sean Pollock was bowling and Nanty Hayward was bowling. And then came Makhaya Antony. So suddenly, Makhaya Antony's bowling style is completely different to both these guys. And he started bowling short balls, you know, towards our face or chest and coming into us, so we could not cut. But we started, you know, going besides the line and getting under the ball and playing over slips. So which was, I still remember the number of commentators post that also continued saying that this is a risky shot. Now this is a standard shot. If you see any match today, you will find this uppercut, which we had played in 2002, both of us, Sehwag and I. But what the result was, where Makhaya Antony did not know where to bowl to us because that was their plan to attack our body. And suddenly when we started scoring runs, you play that shot couple of times, the bowler still doesn't lose hope. The bowler is still thinking, कि मुझे कुछ chance है इसमें. But every chance is costing him 4 runs. He starts thinking otherwise. He suddenly starts feeling that heat. And he wants to make field changes and all that. And which fielder do you remove? Would you remove mid-off, mid-on, point? You have to remove slip. So that is de-risking what, you know, a bowler is trying to get me out there. I mean, somewhere that battle I have won. And then you capitalize on that. Viru exactly did the same thing. So I think innovation is always important. I still remember Andy Flower was playing reverse sweep in 2000 against our spinners. And I have to admit that we were put in so much trouble. We had multiple meetings trying to figure out what field we should set, what line we should bowl. And he played normal sweep and reverse sweep. Suddenly we realized that he is going to decide. We just keep bowling in line and he will decide. And a compliment, I was asked in an interview, what do you think of Andy Flower? And I said, he's possibly 10 years ahead of the rest of the guys.